Hello, good morning, Reynaldo. For your goal number 3, it says by the end of 9 instructional weeks, given verbal, visual prompts, guided practice, and scaffolding, Reynaldo will solve 1 and 2-step problems using data from a frequency table and pictographs. So let's see. Let's move on to your worksheet. This is going to be goal number 3, first worksheet on your IEP packet. So count and tally. Peter counted the coins in his piggy bank and made the following tally chart. Use a chart he made to complete the graph. So here we can see 25 cents. How many quarters did he have? He had 4, 5, 6. 6 quarters in his piggy bank. How many 10 cents? How many dimes? 5 dimes. How many nickels? 4 nickels. 2 cents? 2. How many 1 cent? Pennies. He had 5, 6, 7. So you could put the numbers here. 6, 5, 4, 2, and 7. And now you're going to use the graph. So how many quarters? And you're going to shade how many quarters. How many dimes? Shade how many dimes. And so on and so forth. This is going to be goal number 3, your first worksheet. For goal number 4. Reynaldo will identify which operation to use: addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, and solve the problem with 70% accuracy. For the first 9 weeks, Reynaldo will identify the names and values of all coins. So for 9 weeks, we're only going to identify names and values of coins. Which coins? Quarter, nickel, dime, and penny. Which bills? $1 bill, 5, 10, 20, 50, and 100. So you could use this anchor chart. You could also find it in your packet to practice. This is going to be your practice. Remember the coin, it looks like this, and it's named penny. And its value is 1 cent. The nickel looks like this, 5 cents. A dime is smaller than a nickel. And a dime is worth 10 cents. A quarter, remember the quarter is the biggest of all. The quarter is worth 25 cents. So practice this. This is going to be your anchor chart. And for your assignment for goal number 4, this would be your first worksheet as well. Find the dimes. Draw a circle around all the dimes. So let's see. I'm going to help you with this first line. Is this a dime? Yes or no? This is a nickel. So this is not a dime. Is this a dime? Let's look at it. Oh, this is not a dime. This is also a nickel. This is the back side of the nickel, and this is the front side. This is a penny. And remember, the penny is really easy to identify because of its color. So this is a penny. And remember, we are looking for dimes. We're going to circle the dimes. Is this a dime? Yes, this is a dime. So you're going to circle it. This is the front side of a dime, and this is the back side. So we're going to circle this one too. And you're going to look for all the rest of the dimes in your worksheet. So this is going to be goal number 4.